Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at Monday.com. We're also going to have a look at Notion with an N. And we're going to check out which one is the better option for you and which CRM you should be using to manage your business's needs. So let's check them out. So Monday does have a lot to offer. They have quite an intuitive interface, and on the left hand side you will see all of your items within your team. Okay, so we've got different projects over here, and if you want to create a new project over here, you can just click on this plus button and you can add a board, a document, a dashboard, a form, and you can also create workflows within this specific team or within a specific project. Now, if you're going, say, perhaps into board, and let's say you want to start a new board, let's say you want to customize everything from the get-go, you can literally go in and click on new board and you can create this absolutely the way that you want to. But let's say that you're new to the whole scene and you want to have something to start with. There's tons of templates. Monday.com has tons of templates. So if you go on the left hand side here, there are tons of different types of templates that will make your life easy. You don't have to go and build everything on your own. All you need to do is select one that sort of fits your needs and you can customize it completely. So if you're clicking on use template up over here, you can literally go and customize it now. Once it has been built, you can rename the headings, you can rearrange the lists. It's absolutely fantastic. So there's a lot to do in Monday, and I think they do cater for the use case of a beginner jumping into Monday, but they also cater for the individual that has a little bit of background and really just wants to have as many features as possible. So have a look at Notion now. Notion is a little bit of a different layout. It's not very colorful, and being a visual thinker, Monday.com kind of speaks to me because there's a lot of color and there's a lot of stuff going on, right? So jumping into Notion, it's a little bit like bland personally, but they also have fantastic features and they have a lot to offer. One of the nice things that I enjoy is if you go up and you create a new page or you create a new project, whatever the case may be, you can add your title and then you can start building your project. So if you're hitting the slash, you can add a bunch of different elements here. So you can build this the way you want to. So let's just say, as you're scrolling down here, you would like to ask AI to do something for you. So let's say you want to create a social media post. So you can literally click on the pre-made lines and it says write a social media post about Notion CRM. Okay, and it will now give you exactly what you've asked for. But here's the next thing. This is completely customizable. So you can click here, you can edit it right here. You can actually say, perhaps you want to highlight this, and let's say we want to go ahead. And again, we are going to open this up. We're going to look for that AI, and we're going to say, can we summarize this? Or can we change this? Can we make it longer? Can we make it shorter? So there's a lot of AI here that can help you speed up your productivity. It's fantastic. You can also integrate apps within Notion. So if you are using other third-party apps that you would like to use within Notion, it's fantastic. You can connect them and it's awesome. Let's have a look at some of the pricing. So if you're jumping onto Monday and you go to their plans, you'll see that you do get a free plan, but their first plan, their basic, starts at $9, and you can see that it's got a bunch of features. But if you want to really jump up into a better or a more feature-rich plan, which is the standard, it's $12. Now, $12 is not a lot, given that you will have quite a bit to use compared to the basic plan. Notion, on the other hand, does also have that free plan. You have some features over here, but upgrading to the plus plan will cost you $10. Now, having a look over here, the pricing is more or less the same, but if you take it over 12 months, of course, you will start to feel a bit of a difference. So having a look at these two platforms, Notion for me personally is a little bit bland. However, I do like some part of the command list that gets laid in over here. So you can do so much with just one simple little / and you can basically build each project as you please. Monday, on the other hand, is very colorful. I enjoy working with a space like this. It makes me feel like I'm alive. So in this case, I'm going to say that Monday probably has the upper hand in my case. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.